Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the Alfa Romeo Stelvio. First, ensure your key fob is inside the vehicle. Press the brake pedal firmly, then push the engine start button located on the steering wheel. Once the engine is running, take a moment to adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to your preferred driving position. Familiarize yourself with the gear selector, understanding its distinct positions for park, reverse, neutral, and drive before moving. The Stelvio features a DNA drive mode selector, allowing you to choose between dynamic for sporty performance, natural for balanced everyday driving, and advanced efficiency for optimal fuel economy. For a more engaging experience, use the large, column-mounted paddle shifters. Simply pull either paddle to engage manual mode, then shift up or down as desired. This gives you precise control over the 8-speed automatic transmission, enhancing your driving pleasure. Parking the Stelvio is made easier with its integrated rearview camera and front and rear parking sensors, providing clear visual and audible alerts. When you're ready to park, simply engage the electronic parking brake by pulling the small lever near the gear selector. This ensures your vehicle is securely held. Additionally, be mindful of advanced safety features such as blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning, which enhance overall driving confidence and awareness. For a truly enjoyable driving experience in your Stelvio, focus on smooth and deliberate inputs. Gently press the accelerator and brake pedals to avoid sudden movements, ensuring comfort for all occupants. Maintain a safe following distance, generally about 3 seconds behind the vehicle in front, to allow ample reaction time. On winding roads, practice fluid and controlled steering inputs. These techniques will help you master the Stelvio's responsive handling and powerful engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.